everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu and you are watching Learn English with Indu. So today is our day 1 of vocabulary building series and I am buzzing with the vibe because today I have chosen the word that is despite. Yes, correct pronunciation is despite. The meaning is that it means to show the contrast between two sentences or two situations. Okay. When we talk about contrast, so means one situation would be favorable, other would be not favorable. Despite that thing is happening. Let's learn with the help of an example. Despite bad weather, I just went outside. Okay. Despite being a mother of toddlers, I am showing up for myself. So isn't it easy to learn this word? And let me know in the comment box whether you were using this word earlier or not. Or from today onwards, you will definitely gonna use this word in your vocabulary. Let's moving towards the synonym of this despite. The first is regardless of. Okay, we can use regardless of, we can use in spite of, regardless of, and we can use although. Okay, so it's up to you which one you want to pick up. The next is if we look into antonyms, so there are very easy antonyms. It means because or due to bad weather or because of bad weather. These two are the antonyms. I am just giving only one or two so that you could use in your daily life. Okay. Initially, we should not jump into have everything. We need to pick up one or two things and try to execute. This is the challenging part for ourselves. Okay. Now we are moving towards if we don't want to use despite word, how we can use with the phrasal verbs. Carry on. Okay, we can use carry on, we can use keep going, keep showing. It is also, these all are the phrasal verb related to despite we can use. Okay, next is the idioms. This is one of my favorites idiom, that is against all odds. Against all odds, I went for the trip. Against all odds, I am doing my practice. Okay, so now it's your time to use this despite word in your vocabulary and let me know in the comment box that how it is helping you. So my motive is that to creating this video that every day we should learn one word. Okay, we have learned despite word, meaning of despite we have learned. Along with that we have learned 3 synonym of despite. Okay, regardless of, and in spite of, and although we can also use. Okay, antonyms we have used, we are already using, but now I am just giving you the hint so that we could use. And if you are into phrasal verbs, you could pick up keep going, carry on, all this. Now it's up to you that what else you want to learn. So see, this is called power of learning one word a day. If we are learning one word, we are going deep into all these things and we know how to use all these synonyms, how to use idioms related to one word. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you guys, so let me know so that I could continue my series so that it would help you also. So that's all about today's video. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Someone who want to learn and increase their vocabulary building, or if you have enough vocabulary, so how could we do execution? Okay, so in our upcoming videos we will talk into this topic. So bye bye, that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching.